Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a Jira and Confluence account in just a few simple steps. On the Atlassian sign-up page, click the Get Started with Jira button to open the sign-up modal. A Create Your Account window appears, /ID, the center of the screen with a work email field and several single sign-on options below it. /ID the work email field, type your email address, for this example I'm using testaccount@gmail.com, and a green checkmark will appear once it's accepted. The Sign Up button at the bottom of the modal becomes active and changes from gray to blue, indicating you can proceed. Click the Sign Up button and the screen will refresh to show several sign-in options including or continue with Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Slack. These single sign-on buttons let you link your Atlassian account to an existing provider for easier access going forward. Click the Google button to open the Google sign-in page where you'll authenticate with your Google account. The page transitions to the standard Google login screen with the Google logo at the top and an email or phone field /ID the center. Type your email address /ID the email or phone field and click Next to continue the Google authentication process. Make sure you use the same email address you entered in the Atlassian sign-up form to keep everything linked to one account. Once authentication completes, the screen changes to the Confluence overview page showing your new workspace with the account name displayed /ID, the top left corner. You'll see a Welcome to Confluence heading with an onboarding checklist and example pages in the main content area. Click the Account drop-down /ID, the top left, to open the Account menu where you can access settings and switch between workspaces. The menu displays your account details at the top, followed by options for account settings, help, and sign out at the bottom. If you don't see the verification step during sign-up, check your email inbox for a confirmation link from Atlassian and click it to activate your account. Your Atlassian account gives you access to both Jira and Confluence automatically, so you only need to register once to use both products. You can add teammates to your workspace later by opening the Account menu and clicking on User Management. And that's how to register a Jira and Confluence account. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.